Hi everyone, this is your instructor Laura Lee for HM 2010, and I just wanted to make a quick video to help out with the week 2 assignment A because I know some people are struggling a little bit with the concept of ratios. And basically anytime you hear the word ratio, it's a division problem. There's a numerator and a denominator, and you divide the two. So I want to point you to the equations in your textbook. So the first question, it gives you information like the total revenues, the net income, and the net assets. And then it asks you to calculate the operating margin ratio and the return on equity rate. So if you go into Blackboard and you open up, this one's in chapter 7, and you go to, I believe looks like it's page 122. It gives you the operating margin ratio, which is the net income divided by the total revenues. And you're always going to have your answer in a percentage. So you can either type it out as 12% or you could type it out as 0.12 for this particular answer. That's not the answer to the homework problem, but that's how you'll type it out, either as a percentage or to the 100ths place behind a decimal. So it gives you the operating margin equation, and then it also gives you the return on equity equation. So that gives you the net income divided by the owner's equity, which is also known as the net assets, which is what it's called in this particular equation. Then if you scroll down, the next two questions ask you to calculate the debt to worth ratio. And you can find that information under chapter 6 of the weekly readings for week 2. So if you click on that link, it will open this up and you'll have to scroll down to page 106, and that gives you the equation for the debt to worth ratio, which is the total liabilities divided by the net worth. And it gives you some different, it gives you charts showing what would be considered liabilities and what would be considered assets, to kind of give you an idea of where things will fall, whether you add things under the numerator or the denominator. So I hope that helps you some with these problems. If you have additional questions, feel free to reach out to me. My contact is under faculty availability in Blackboard. And take care and good luck.